Hello and welcome everyone to a new video from WEBA. Today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots, but not only that, I'm also going to show you how to change the type of a screenshot you can take. It is no longer only the typical way. You will see what I mean. I don't want to give you spoilers, so let us go directly to the video. To take screenshots, it is very easy. Place one finger on the power button and the other finger on the volume up button. Press both at the same time and the iPhone will take the screenshot. You can edit the screenshot, you can draw on it, you can erase parts of it, you can highlight areas, you can select everything and delete what you did. You can also delete the screenshot completely. Now I'm going to show you an even easier way to take a screenshot. This method is easier than the typical one. For this, we need to go to settings. In settings, tap on accessibility. In accessibility, tap on touch. In touch, tap on back tap. Then tap on double tap. In double tap, select a screenshot. And this enables taking a screenshot by double tapping the back of the iPhone. Now I'm not going to press any button. Watch what happened. I double tap on the back of the iPhone and the iPhone takes a screenshot. As you can see, the screenshot is taken only by double tapping the back of the phone. There is no button on the back, it is just a double tap. If I do it again, it takes another screenshot. I will do it one more time so you can see it clearly. I turn the phone around and the only thing I do is double tap on the back. And there is the screenshot. This feature is not only for screenshots. You can also configure it for the camera, the action button, the screen lock, or even the flashlight. The flashlight is a very clear example. Now I'm not touching any button, I double tap the back on the phone and the flashlight turns on. If I double tap again, the flash turns off. As you can see, it works, it really works and it is pretty cool. These are different tools you can use on your iPhone. You can also configure triple tap if you want another quick function. That depends on your personal preferences. That is the video for today. I hope you like it. I hope it helps you. If it helps you, please give us a like, comment and share this video. Take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.